Hey, hello everyone. This is Sridhar from Nakshatra Digital Solution, and today we are going to look at the new feature offered by Articleforge. In Articleforge 4.5 version, they have added a new feature which is called Avoid AI Detection. See, we all know, like, most of us, we do use, like tools like Articleforge and Jasper for content outline or content writing. So one issue with the tools like Article Forge or AI content writers is, like search engines like Google or even AI content detectors like Originality.AI, they were able to identify if this content is either written by a human or an artificial intelligence tool. So what happens is, like, in the future, if search engines can identify whether the content is done by AI or human, there are chances, like, if the content is completely done by AI, then there are chances, like, the blog or website where the whole content it is generated by AI can be penalized. So this video will be helpful for bloggers or website owners who have like in-house content team or who outsource their content, and you can check whether the content is detectable by AI or not. And if you use Article Forge or if you use AI content writing tools for your content, for your website or blogs content, like this feature will be really helpful because the content written by Article Forge, when using this AI avoid AI detection feature, they say, like, it will pass the AI content detection tools. So let's find out. I know, like, I'm having a paid account with Article Forge and I'm using it for this review. So let's first use this option, avoid AI detection. So let's give a topic like reasons. Okay, we'll have benefits of vaccinating your pets. Okay, so we'll make the content as 500 words content, medium. So I've switched on this feature, avoid AI detection. So let's start the content let the content get created by Article Forge. So the content is getting created. Now once the content is ready, I'll be using two content detector tools. One is from writer.com, AI content detector, and another one is from originality.ai. I have a paid account with Originality AI. So these are the two tools that are frequently used by SEOs and website bloggers to identify if the content is written by AI or human. So let's cross check the content written by Article Forge using these two tools. So once the content is ready, we will start, like, identifying the content, whether it's AI written or human. Okay, the content is ready now. Let's go check the content. Okay, here is the content. I'm just copying the content. Okay, content is completely copied. Okay, I'm first checking the content with Originality.ai. Uh, this tool, it has two options. Like, you can also check plagiarism and you can also detect AI. So I'm not going to check plagiarism. So I've just we are going to detect if the content is written by AI or not. So I mean, like, if Originality.AI can identify whether the content is written by AI or not. So let's scan now. So similar way, let's check here. Okay, okay. See, this is a free tool. I don't have a paid access to writer.com's AI content detector tool. So here you can check 1500 characters in one single go. So the remaining 1500. So we'll be using, like, check. First we'll check the first 500 characters, and then we will check the next 500 characters. Okay, let's check. Okay, okay, let's check this. Nice text. Okay, writer.com, they say it's human generated text. So with writer.com, article force avoid a content direction option is working. Let's check with the originality.ai. Yeah, even in originality.ai, it shows like it's 98 percentage original and 2 percentage AI. So I have done a, in my previous video, I did a review of AI tools, free AI tools that you can use to check AI written content. So in that video, what I did is I used ChatGPT to create content, and I use the content to see if it's getting detected as AI written in all these tools. In that video, for that content, originality.ai showed me like it's 97 percentage AI and 3 percentage original. So, Article Forge's AI detection, avoid AI detection feature is working really good. And one thing you have to make sure is, like, when you use Article Forge for your content writing, you just once the content is written by Article Forge, you just go through the content, read each paragraph and lines. If there are any misinformation or something, just correct that and make sure the words used in the content is like it goes with the flow of the paragraph, and the tone is actually what you need. So this is one thing you have to check when you're writing content using Article Forge. But as of now, Article Forge AI avoid AI detection tool is really working good. And like, I'm not sure about the future, like whether search engine will develop, mature enough, or it will develop options to detect AI content. But as of now, Article Forge avoid AI detection feature is really working good. The most used content AI content detectors are not detecting content written by Article Forge. They are showing the results as it's original 98 percentage original and 2 percentage written by AI. So as of now, Article Forge avoid AI detection is working really good. So if you like the video, kindly, if you think the information in the video is really useful, kindly like the video. If you have any comments, please do comment on the video, and kindly subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon so that you will get notification when I publish a new video in my channel. And I'll see you soon with another video. Bye.